We have with us Foreign Minister Mr. Salman Khurshid. Salman Saab, there was an uproar in both houses today. The BJP is saying that, this 125 crore that Walmart has spent lobbying in India since 2008, it's a report has been filed with the US Senate that has revealed this. Now, lobbying is a dirty word in India. Do you think it's about how we perceive it here? How do you react to this entire thing?
I see one thing is clear, that we should not link a decision we are taking about FDI retail, or have taken, endorsed by Parliament. They may not be happy about this, but it's been endorsed by Parliament. We should not link that with any individual company. It's nothing to do with company. The law, as far as the American law is concerned, it's very clear and it will prevail. Now, is that law in any way being violated by any of their companies when they come to India or go to South Africa or Argentina or anywhere for that matter? Is it being violated? They will decide. As far as we are concerned, is there a violation of any Indian law? We will decide. But if there is a prima facie case made out by somebody that there is a violation of Indian law, then the Indian law will prevail.
But so you're saying an economic policy should not be, linked to just one big company. But we've seen so many times, and that's what the BJP also says, that a corporate, a big company is trying to exert pressure on the Indian government and to push forward this FDI policy.
I don't even know if that's the allegation. I mean, that may be a intent of people to convert this into such an allegation. Lobbying is nothing to do necessarily with government. Lobbying is public opinion making. Now, if someone is trying to do something to generate a point of view, public opinion, support it, reaching out to the media, trying to get media to be persuaded that they should follow a particular point of view, it's for them to decide. But government has nothing to do with it.
You feel lobbying shouldn't be seen in this connotation negatively?
I don't think that you should automatically link it with any unwholesome behavior or unacceptable conduct of government. The allegation should be that there is an illegal act done. If there is an allegation to that effect, of course there must be investigation. But other than that, simply because you don't like something or somebody else doesn't like something and then you link it with a particular company, I don't think that's fair.